Testing has been shown to enhance memory. It can be used as a learning tool and not just as a means of assessing what has been learned. That's because tests require us to retrieve information. And past studies have shown that once information can be retrieved from memory, repeated retrieval results in large benefits for long-term retention of information, more so than restudying or reading the same thing over and over again. Practicing retrieval is especially beneficial when it's followed by feedback and it occurs multiple times. So here's a tip for you when you're trying to remember something, like your license plate number, for example. Say your license plate number in your mind, and now try saying it out loud. Then try writing it down and saying it out loud again, and every so often check to see if you got it right. What you're doing is practicing retrieval, and this will help you retain the information.